As we go through the lunch hour, look off to actually our west. There's a lot of cloud cover across the plains. There are actually a couple already strong storms right along the Kansas-Nebraska border. Here's sort of the setup. Couple of boundaries, one warm front to our south and west, cold front out to the plains, and then low pressure out towards the Black Hills. Actually, if you look down into parts of Oklahoma and southern Kansas, a lot of clouds down that direction, but that's actually where there's going to be a level 5 risk of severe weather here later on today. So it's not as simple as, oh, we need sunshine, so that's how we're going to have storms. No, not all the time. You can destabilize the atmosphere by cooling down way up high. You can do it by heating up the ground. You can do it by adding moisture, which is what we are going to do later on today. Humidity will flow on up. We're not the bullseye of this severe weather threat, but we are up, most of us, in a level 2 risk of severe weather. And if you are down in southwest Iowa, places like Mount Ayr, Bedford, over towards Clarinda and Shenandoah, a level 3 risk of some stronger storms, because you folks are going to have a little bit better humidity for fueling those storms later on this evening. Probably 8 o'clock onward is when those storms move into the state. Western Iowa first, moving eastward then through the first half of the night. Probably a damaging wind threat, most likely maybe a couple of spin-up tornadoes embedded in this line of storms here too. So here's hour by hour again. Look at those storms form out in the plains and move in across the Missouri River as we head towards that 8 o'clock time frame. They congeal into a line, and then as we go through that 8, 9, 10 o'clock time frame across western Iowa, we're going to be watching some of those segments along the line. If we get a few bulges along that line, that's where there's probably going to be some winds gusting out. And then as the winds gust out ahead of the line, a lot of times they kind of spiral outward around the edges, and where you get those little curls around the edges of those bulges, that's where you can have some spin-up tornadoes. The atmosphere is a fluid. It's just like watching water in a pond swirl around when you throw a rock in it. So as those storms move eastward, 11 o'clock, around midnight, that's from places like Ames, Des Moines, down towards, Osceola, Lamoni. We'll probably get in on the action. Storms will be weakening then, but still a couple of stronger cells are possible. By the time we get towards 1 to 2 a.m., those storms are now moving over towards eastern Iowa, and we should be done into tomorrow morning. Now, severe weather aside, there will be some more rainfall yet again. A good ½ inch to an inch looks probably a good bet. Widespread, where you see those bluish colors. Anywhere we get into maybe a couple of those purple spots, if you get under a stronger cell, might have some isolated 2-inch amounts, but that's the general range. ½ inch to an inch looks like a good bet for most folks later on tonight. Past this system then, tomorrow should be mainly dry, just a couple of isolated showers, maybe a storm towards the afternoon, but look, its coverage is going to be pretty sparse. Most of us will spend our Tuesday with sunshine. Another weaker system develops Wednesday and sort of drifts by Iowa as we go through. That'll bring us at least some scattered non-severe showers and storms on Wednesday. A little bit higher chance of rain again. By Thursday, we're on the backside, kind of cool scattered showers then on Thursday, and then we'll be drier once we head towards the end of the week on Friday. So the severe weather threat mainly confined to tonight. After that, then, your next best chance of rain is going to be those scattered showers and storms Wednesday with a few scattered raindrops Thursday. Coolest day of the week is those 60s on Thursday. Breezy at times. Right now, the weekend, though, looks dry and sunny.